Uncover the chilling secrets of the future of technology at Tech Revolt. In this video, we dive deep into the shadows of cutting-edge food technologies. Did machines revolutionize the food industry? Brace yourself as we go through this journey together. Packaging machinery plays a crucial role, especially in the processes of filling, sealing, and labeling. This is where the product, whether liquid, powder, or solid, is precisely measured and dispensed into its container. Machines are designed to handle various container sizes and product consistencies, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Next is sealing, which involves securely closing the container to maintain product integrity and extend shelf life. Techniques vary from heat sealing to screw caps, depending on the product and packaging type. Labeling machinery applies branded labels that include essential information like product ingredients, usage instructions, and barcodes. An automated packaging system begins with the delivery of raw materials, which are then prepared and processed. Raw materials like grains or fruits are cleaned, sorted, and cooked. The line seamlessly transitions these prepared ingredients into the packaging phase, where they are filled into appropriate containers and then labeled with product information. Software coordinates the machinery, ensuring that each step is timed perfectly to maximize efficiency and reduce waste. This level of automation not only boosts productivity, but also enhances consistency and safety in product handling. Weighing and sorting systems are ensuring products are not only consistent in size and weight, but also meet quality standards. Weighing machines are highly precise, adjusting to the exact specifications required for each product, whether measuring small spices or larger food items like meats or vegetables. Sorting machines take over to classify these items based on weight, size, color, ripeness, or quality. This automation significantly reduces manual labor, increases processing speed, and minimizes human error, leading to a more efficient production line and higher quality end products. In industrial settings, three primary methods are commonly used: freezing, drying, and canning. Freezing is one of the most used techniques, as it slows down the decay process by turning residual moisture into ice, which inhibits the growth of microorganisms. Drying removes moisture from food, which helps in preventing the growth of bacteria and mold. Canning involves sealing food in airtight containers and then heating them to kill bacterial spores. Freezing is ideal for meats and seafood, drying is often used for fruits and herbs, and canning is reserved for vegetables, fruits, and ready meals. These preservation techniques not only ensure food safety, but also allow for longer storage periods without significant losses in quality, making them essential in the global food supply chain. The jelly bean production line is a fascinating process that starts with the mixing phase, where sugar, flavorings, and colorings are combined with a jelly base to create a uniform mixture. The liquid mixture is piped into molds, typically bean-shaped cavities. The jelly mixture sets and solidifies. They are ejected from the molds and undergo a tumbling process to smooth out any rough edges. The next step is the sorting phase, where jelly beans are sorted by color and size to ensure consistency. Advanced optical sorting machines are used to detect and remove any defective beans. This ensures that only the best quality jelly beans are packaged and sent to stores. The entire process is highly automated, utilizing conveyor belts and robotic systems to move the jelly beans through each stage efficiently. Robots are increasingly taking center stage, especially in the picking and loading phases. These robots are designed with advanced vision systems and grippers to handle delicate chocolate bars. The process starts when chocolate bars, freshly cooled and solidified, move along a conveyor belt. The robot identifies and picks up individual bars using its precision grippers, which are gentle enough to avoid damaging the chocolates. The robot places each bar into packaging trays, or directly into packaging materials. This automation speeds up the production process while minimizing human error and contamination. It also optimizes the packaging line, ensuring that chocolate bars are handled with care and efficiency. The production process begins with the washing phase, where fruits are thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt, pesticides, or impurities. This is done using water jets or a soaking method. The fruits are transported to drying chambers where controlled temperature and airflow gently remove moisture. The fruits are sorted by size and quality. Packaging is the final step, involving sealing the dried fruits in airtight containers to preserve freshness. Modern packaging lines use automated systems to weigh and fill packages, ensuring precise portions and reducing waste. The manufacturing of tortilla chips begins with the mixing of corn flour, water, and other ingredients to form a dough. This dough is rolled out into thin sheets. The thin sheets are cut into desired shapes, triangles or circles, and then conveyed into ovens for baking. Baking is a critical step, transforming the soft dough into crisp, golden chips. The chips are cooled and then seasoned with salts or spices based on flavor profiles. The final step is packaging, where the chips are weighed and sealed into bags. Advanced packaging machines are employed to ensure that the bags are filled accurately and sealed properly to maintain the chip's crunchiness and flavor. This entire process is highly automated to ensure efficiency and maintain the highest standards of quality and hygiene. In the world of pizza production, automation has revolutionized how we prepare, bake, and package this popular dish. Ingredients like flour, water, yeast, and oil are precisely measured and mixed by machines, ensuring consistency in texture and taste. It is automatically portioned and shaped into balls, then rolled out into pizza bases. These bases move along a conveyor belt, where various toppings are added. Robots or automated nozzles apply sauce uniformly, followed by a layer of cheese and other toppings, which can be customized depending on the recipe requirements. Pizzas are conveyed into an oven where they are baked to perfection. This line not only speeds up production, but also maintains a high standard of quality, making it a staple in large-scale pizza manufacturing. If you are a fan of pizza, drop a 1 in the comments below. The process starts with the automated mixing of ingredients flour, sugar, eggs, and flavorings based on precise recipes to ensure each cake is consistent in taste and quality. The batter is poured into molds, depending on the type of cake being made. Cakes are automatically transported through ovens where they are baked to the right level of fluffiness and moisture. Decoration can be highly automated too, with machines applying icing and embellishments in intricate designs. The cakes are packaged, often in protective wrapping, to ensure they remain fresh during transport and sale. The robotic saw is designed to make precise cuts along the chine bone of pork loins, optimizing meat yield and reducing waste. The automation allows for consistent cuts, crucial in maintaining uniformity in the size and shape of pork cuts, which is important for both retail and commercial sales. The use of robotics minimizes the need for manual handling, thereby reducing the risk of injuries commonly associated with the use of traditional saws. The robotic system is programmed to adjust sizes of pork loins, ensuring flexibility and efficiency in processing. Modern egg farming solutions involve automated systems that control the environment within hen houses, such as temperature, humidity, and lighting, which are crucial factors for optimal hen health and egg production. Automated feeding and watering systems ensure that hens receive the necessary nutrients efficiently, while conveyor belt systems gently collect eggs as soon as they are laid, minimizing damage and contamination. These technologies collectively lead to a more consistent and high-quality product, while also reducing labor costs and improving the overall sustainability of egg production. We're glad you're here. Don't miss out on the next video of this thrilling series. Subscribe now and join us in unraveling the mysteries that lie ahead.